We're starting in the messy garage. I want to apologize. It's been a long time since I've done some videos. I've been full focused on getting the Challenger 100% ready. And don't mind the lopsidedness. My driveway is actually lopsided. So a couple updates. We are almost done with the AccuAir install with the universal air bags. I got a leaky output on the Endo-CVT. I'm losing about an inch overnight, so I definitely got to deal with that. So the car is going to be laid up for another week while I wait for some parts. But for overall, she's looking really good. Nice and low. If you look over here, we picked up a second vehicle to replace the Hyundai. It took me a couple months to find her, but it's a all-wheel drive Magnum RT from 2005. And this one was cared for by one owner. And we got a new project car. So she's in pretty decent shape. She needs some new seats on the interior. No rips and stuff like that, but you know, she needs a little bit of love. We've got some new wheels coming, which I'm excited about. I picked up some niche Veronas, and because the all-wheel drive, I was very limited because they had a plus 38 to 42 offset required. So most wheels are 20 offset. So I really think the Veronas that I picked out are going to be awesome. I'm going to go back to an 18-inch wheel with a 55 series tire, and I believe I'm doing a 255 wide on these. So, you know, again, this is going to be a car that I'm going to be driving in the snow with, so I want to make sure that I have the best possible traction on the road. And of course, I'm going to go with the Toro AZ850s just because we love them so much on the Challenger. This car is tinted out, which is pretty sweet. We got to black out some of the chrome with some Lux. We got to do some love on the headlights. I already got started here, but I ran out. I had a kit I used on an older car, but I have a new kit in. We're going to do a video on that. This is what the headlight looks like right now, but we're going to make it polished and shiny and perfect. A lot of you guys commented on the wheels. These are the wheels that came with the car, and so are these. If you guys are interested in either set of wheels, just let me know. Looking to get rid of these wheels and tires. They are not too good. The tire wise, they're got a little bit of, you know, rubber missing on the outside edge. And then we have these, which look fairly brand new. So these wheels and tires, if you're looking in the New Jersey area, because I'm not looking to ship these, but if you're, you know, tri-state area willing to come pick them up, I'm willing to let these go for a very good price. Just make me an offer. All right, so back to the Challenger. We're sitting really low, like almost zero clearance in the wheel wells. It's pretty freaking crazy how close that sits. Also, we go down underneath, which look at that. We got the BJ's garage skid plate sitting right on the ground. That's pretty nuts. And again, for those of you who aren't aware of how this system works, car sits nice and low, but then we can boost it up whenever we need to drive to a reasonable level. And then when I need to enter driveways, because the state of New Jersey is horrible, we can jack the car up to far above the Challenger GT height. I'll give you a quick example of that right now. Okay, we're going to bring up the front first. Look at that wheel gap. Crazy, right? And then we drop the whole thing. Right onto the ground. There you go. So if you're looking for a good distance between high and low, and I don't have the sensors installed yet, so I can't use the presets. That's about where she goes. That's pretty high. You know, I shouldn't have any problems getting clearance. Actually, could probably shove my iPhone directly underneath the car. That's pretty nuts. And we could drop it back down again. Now, of course, this will all go up and down nice and smoothly once I get the sensors installed, and I can lower and raise the entire kit at once. But right now we don't have the sensors installed, and we are waiting for some parts to stop a leak. But at least we're making some progress. I can drive it in and out of the garage, but I'm not ready to take it on the road until maybe next week. All right, so that's a quick update of what's going on, and see you guys in the next one.